All right, let me guess. You've tried to build a website before. Everybody has. You've opened a website builder, got overwhelmed, and never finished it. You're dragging sections all over the place. You're tweaking fonts. You're trying to add an image that looks like pasted by a 3-year-old. I know that's what it looks like when I do it. You never finish it, get overwhelmed. You go try and watch tutorials that you never come back to, and everyone just keeps saying, just use AI or just use this builder. But somehow you're still stuck. That was me. And in this video, I'm going to show you the laziest way to build a website in 2026. Because I promise by the end you'll go, oh, that's why nothing I ever tried worked, because they're all overwhelming. And I'm going to tell you the dirty little secret. Squarespace, all that, people aren't actually building them themselves. Because business owner who goes to those things and tries to use them gets overwhelmed. They're overcomplicated. They're too much. And you end up having to hire somebody to do it for you. And you're paying an arm and a leg, going through a design process that does not get you a professional, simple website that says who you are, what you do, and shows your reviews, your Instagram, your Facebook, stuff like that, which is all you really want and need, right? So quick context before we go further, because this matters. My name's Keegan. For the last 15 years, I've worked directly with hundreds of small business owners, helping them get online, get leads, and stop overcomplicating their websites. I've built websites, I fixed broken ones, I've watched people waste months researching, planning, tweaking to not ever get to the end result of a website, and I've watched what actually works in the real world for most businesses. It's not a bunch of theory or made up stuff. This is me. I own an agency. We've built hundreds of websites. I've worked with hundreds of business owners. This is not about design awards. This is not about Twitter X advice, okay? It's just, does this website get you customers, help get you customers and leads, or does it not? And after seeing the same mistakes over and over, everything clicked. And here's the truth no one wants to say out loud. Your website hasn't failed because you picked the wrong platform, or you're bad at tech, or you didn't try hard enough. It failed because you were just trying to do too much. You were told that websites need to be beautiful, complex, perfect, SEO optimized, all that stuff. When in reality, the websites that win in 2026 are simple, they're clear, they're fast to launch, they don't cost you too much so it doesn't hurt your business, and that's it, right? And they have some social proof on them, and that's it. Credibility. So why does Mighty Sites exist? For all those reasons. This is exactly why Mighty Sites exists. It wasn't built to turn you into a web designer, to give you infinite customization, or to trap you into features that you don't need and you got to pay for anyway because it comes with that package. It was built because I kept seeing the same thing. Smart business owners who are great at what they do, getting stuck on their website and losing money because of it. So the question became, what if building a website was so simple that you had literally no excuse not to launch one that says who you are, what you do, has social proof like your Google reviews, your Instagram feed, whatever, and gets you leads, encourages people to contact your business, come to your restaurant. That's it, right? That's the entire philosophy. So in this video, I'm going to show you the laziest possible way to build a website in 26, because I don't want to be a web designer. I want to have a website, and a website that gets me customers. Why do I care if it's the prettiest? I don't. I'm going to show you how to use AI correctly, not the generic way that everyone teaches, and how to launch in hours instead of weeks or months and at a fraction of the cost, and how to build a site whose only job is to get you customers. That's all we care about. There's not fluff. There's not a tech spiral. There's no perfection paralysis. So when I say lazy, I don't mean careless. I mean no unnecessary decisions, no endless tweaking, no learning tools that you'll never use again. And you've got a business to run. You don't need to learn how to be a web designer. Lazy means maximum outcome for minimum effort, because your website isn't your business. It's just a tool you use to grow it and get people to contact you. I've seen this work for cleaning businesses, pressure washing businesses, restaurants, contractors, coaches, pretty much you name it. People who delayed their website for months or years, or were paying tons of money thinking they needed something custom, and it's a waste of energy. That's all vanity stuff. What you care about is your website saying who you are, what you do, and that other people think you're great at it too. Your Google reviews and social proof, like social media content that filters into your website. People who thought they weren't technical were able to do this and launch their website for $9 a month in just a matter of half an hour. And once they launched it this way and connected it to their Google business profile so that the two work together, leads start coming in, confidence goes up, and the website stopped being this scary, expensive thing in the background that was never quite right and just became the tool that's a sales page online that gets you customers. So now let me show you how this actually works. Not in theory, not in buzzwords, but the exact lazy process we use and why it works better than everything else you've been told before. One quick thing, subscribe to this channel. I've already built and recorded live demos websites for pretty much every other type of small business model that exists. So instead of watching random advice online, you can just follow the tutorial I made for your business. And if you want clarity, speed, and a website that converts, subscribe, because everything you need is already here. Check out this tutorial that's going to play as I'm talking to you. The laziest thing you can do when building a website is never start from scratch. Once you start your free trial, the first thing you do is just pick your business type. Service business, local business, contractor, coach, it honestly doesn't matter. The goal here isn't perfection, it's momentum and speed. The template already gives you a structure, it gives you a placeholder text, it gives you images. You're not staring at a blank screen wondering what goes where. Let the site auto-populate. Don't overthink this. You just enter your business name, your location, type of business, that's it. At this point, your website is already basically built. And this is where most people are surprised because they expect building a website to feel hard. But if the structure is right, it shouldn't be. Now here's the lazy rule I follow. If it doesn't help someone contact you, it's not a priority. So the first edits I always make are email address, phone number, location, social platforms, links to those. Once you add those, your contact info shows up across the entire site automatically. There's no extra work. Already, your site is doing its job. Now, one of the laziest high impact moves you can make, instead of writing long paragraphs trying to convince people you're legit, just add your reviews. Using widgets from Elfsight that are mostly free, you can drop in your Google reviews, your Facebook reviews, photos like before and after. You literally copy and paste and save it and you're done. So instead of telling people you're trustworthy, your site now shows it. Then add some light personalization. From here, just update the text by clicking and typing, change colors with a click, swap layouts. There's no design skills, no tech background. If you don't have a logo yet, that's fine. Grab one from Canva in 5 minutes and upload it. Good enough beats perfection. Add extra pages, but only if you actually need them. Here's another place that overcomplicates things. If you offer more than one service, then yeah, add another page. But again, the lazy rule, one service equals one page. So if you are pet care, if you do dog walking and dog sitting, have a page for each of those. And then that's going to help the search engine find you. People are going to see, oh, here's their dog walking service, their price, picture them, who they are, social proof, and then a lead form. You can add the page, update the menu, drop it in simple text, even use ChatGPT for your first draft of the text. No fancy layout, no long explanations, and then launch it, even if it feels too simple. This is the important step. At this point, your site looks professional, works on mobile, has contact forms, has trust built in. That's enough. You don't need to tweak it for weeks. You don't need to come back later. A live website that's simple beats a perfect website that doesn't exist. Now you've got two options. You can do option one. You can keep watching all these YouTube tutorials. You can keep trying all these fancy website builders with all this design stuff. You can try and follow all the demos. You can try and use all the tools. You can end up overpaying and wasting a ton of time. I don't think you want that option. Honestly, take option two, the laziest route possible. You don't want to think about setup, structure, or tech at all. You're not a web designer. You're a business owner who's got to run a business. You need something online that you can direct people to, where they can contact you and see that you're real. It's built specifically for that exact process. It's simple, it's fast, there's no overthinking, and you can even try it for free for 7 days and see if it clicks. Either keep doing it yourself, or you can use a tool that removes friction completely. Either way, now you know the system.